Hey y'all, welcome back to Van Products How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to operate a Q'Straint Manual Tie-Down system for your adaptive van. This van already came equipped with Q'Straints. These Q'Straints can rotate nearly 180 degrees to accommodate for different passenger positions and different wheelchairs. The red lever pictured, once you press that down, it will create slack in the rope for you to be able to attach it to the wheelchair. But first, let's load up. Check out this Bronability UVL ramp on this adaptive van. Once you load in, you need to get situated facing forward and lock your wheelchair wheels. Now it's time to secure the wheelchair. I'm pushing the red lever down to create slack and attaching it to the frame of the wheelchair. Once you remove tension off the red lever, the strap will tighten and you'll be secure. For removal, you'll just hit that red lever and create slack and you'll be able to unattach it. All four straps are attached, and as you can see, they are to the frame of the wheelchair. It is important for safety reasons to equip yourself to the frame. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see y'all next time.